Hi, in this video let's look at a parameterized class definition. Earlier when we created a static methods video in where I have discussed we created a class called line cage, where we have if I quickly go to that class where I have created a line cage and a cage of q and we have created a type of line, and we have created one more function, static function cage underscore line, where we passed the type of line and we have printed a list of lines here, cage here. Now suppose I want for another animal. I cannot use the same class. Maybe I need to create a new class, or we can use something called parameterized class, where now we are created a class called animal underscore cage. Earlier we have a line underscore cage, now we have animal underscore cage, where we have passing the type. This is a generic type. This is no particular type we have passed here. Now same as the line underscore cage, we have a protected static T type, capital T type cage cube. Now static function void and cage underscore animal. Earlier we have did a cage underscore line and we passed the type T. Similarly, we are pushing back the animal whatever we have passed here, and the static function we print the list of animals here. Okay. Now here we see that we have two types of two animals, line and a chicken. Now line we have we have passed like 15 age of 15 and name Mustafa. Here how we call the animal cage is like animal underscore cage. We need to pass a type here. That's what the makes difference is. Here we need to pass a type and a cage underscore animal. We call the method called cage underscore animal, and we pass the whatever the handle I have created, whatever the object I have created, line underscore h. Here we need to pass here, and similarly we created another line object. Okay. Now we are passing a chicken new of age 1 and name is clucker, and similarly we are passing with the type of chicken here. Okay. And cage animal passing the chicken here, and we are passing one more chicken. And you see only difference is like animal we are animal underscore cage we are calling using a type of chicken. You see here we just displaying the lines and animal cage of type line and colon list of animals. Here we have method called list of animals and of the type lines, and we have calling chicken of list of animals. And the chicken class as a line class, we like chicken class is also same, where we have age and name. Now let's run the code and see. Here I have the same code here what I wrote there, line class, chicken class, animal cage. I have a protected T type of T, and cage q we are passing it for the static method cage underscore animal, passing the capital T and passing here display. Okay. Now I have a initial module type T, initial begin. We have two types of animals, lion and chicken, and as I showed earlier, the same code, nothing difference here. The main difference is when you call animal underscore cage, you need to pass the type. Now you will see what is if I run and see what will be the results. There is some error here. Let me fix this. I think semicolon is missing here. Semicolon is missing. Let me run and see. Now it should work. Okay. You see here when I put lines, where is this print is here, lines, and we in animals in the cage we have a print here, right? Animals in the cage. When I call list of animals, we got the animals line and animals of type lines. And when I call with the data type of chicken, and I'll get the animals type of chicken. Okay. You see how what is you hope you understand the use of the parameter class, where with the type using the type I can differentiate between the two classes, like two classes which are which can be used, like two I have created, one using the line and one I have created using the chicken. Hope you understand.